Hi guys, welcome to Mathsing with me, Miss Resi, your teacher for today. So today we're gonna discuss about identify the coordinates of the following. Let's try example number 1. From this given equation, we need to use the standard form of the equation. So it is a hyperbola that is horizontally oriented. Our center is at the origin, which is 0, 0. For the vertices, let's get the value of a squared. A is along the axis, so we have 4, 0, positive, and the other one is negative 4, 0. For the co-vertices, we need to get the value of b squared. So b is along the y's, so we have 0, positive 3, and 0, negative 3. For the foci, we need to solve for c. Substitute the value of the Pythagorean theorem. We have so our foci are positive 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. For the length of the Latus rectum, we need this formula. Substitute the values. We have for the equation of directrices, we need this one. Substitute the values. We have and lastly, equation of the asymptotes. Substitute the values. We have now let's graph this. Four point five divided by 2 is 2.25. 2 points to the upper part of the foci, and the lower part of the foci. Thus, this is the graph of the given x squared over 16 minus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. Now let's have example number 2. Looking at the given, we see that it is almost similar to the previous equation. The only difference is that the numerators are interchanged. So let's use the standard form of equation. This means that the graph of this equation is a hyperbola that is vertically oriented. Our center is from the origin, which is 0, 0. Also, this means that we will obtain the same values for A, B, and C as in the previous equation. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem. Our A is on the y's, therefore our vertices is 0, positive 4 and 0, negative 4. Our B is on the x, so therefore our co-vertices is positive 3, 0 and negative 3, 0. If the orientation is vertical, our foci is on the y's. So our foci are 0, positive 5 and 0, negative 5. To solve for the length of the Latus rectum, we need this formula. Substitute the values. We have constant 2, b squared is 9 over a is 4. 9 times 2 is 18 over 4. Lowest term is 9 over 2 or 4.5. For the equation of the directrix, we need this one. Substitute the values. We have for the equation of the asymptotes, we have substitute the values. We have let's graph this. Thus, this is the graph of y squared over 16 minus x squared over 9 is equal to 1.